Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. If you don't know me, I am Megha and I make videos on makeup, beauty, lifestyle. So today we are going to do this dewy makeup look, this radiant one right now which you are looking. It looks super natural, super glowy. So without wasting any time, I think we should start the video. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. For the glowing radiant makeup look, we'll be starting with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Face Primer. You can get it from Amazon or Myntra. So I'll be applying it all over my face because first of all that this primer, this will enhances the shine of your face. So let's begin with it. I'll be taking a bit of it on the palms of my hand, and with the help of my fingers I'll be applying it all around my face. If talking about this primer, it's a good one to invest in. I've used many primers, but I really love this one. It works really well on your skin and it's very light, when you apply it. So I'll be applying it all around my face with my fingers and gently rubbing it. I'm done with this primer, you can see that, and right now only I've started getting that glow on my face. Yeah, I'm done with it. Now I'll be applying foundation on my face, and the foundation which I'm going to use this time is Lakme Absolute Illuminating Foundation. It's also very light in applying. Plus, it also gives that shine to your skin which we need for that dewy makeup look. So let's start with it. I'll be taking 2 pumps of it on my hands. You can see that. I've taken it, and now again I'm not going to use any kind of brush this time. I'm going to apply this also with the help of my fingers. If you want, you can take the help of that brushes or beauty sponges which are available in the market, but I feel that your fingers, they are the best blender. It also blends very well into your skin. Sorry, I have that breakout here. I got 2 days back. I was not feeling well and I took some of the antibiotics. Due to that, I got this breakout and it's really hurting, but no worries. I'll be covering with my eyes as well. Whenever you apply your base makeup, do it very well, do it with patience, because if your base makeup is not good, it's not flawless, the makeup won't look good on your skin. See, I am done with it and it is very well blended into my skin. Yeah. Next, I'll be applying concealer on my, dark areas, under my eyebrows, on my this nose, and the areas where I want to give a highlighting effect. So I'll be applying this concealer, and the concealer which I'm using is NYX Professional Makeup HD Studio Photogenic Corrector or Concealer. It's also very good on your skin and it looks very well. So let's begin with it. This is a very good concealer, and it gives a very good coverage to your, dark areas. One tip I would give you while applying the concealer is that always apply the concealer in the triangular shape underneath your eyes. Applying this concealer on my nose here also, as I have some of the problem here, some dark spots I have on my cheek as well, so I'll be applying this concealer on my cheeks, here and here. I am applying lots of concealer this time because I am doing this dewy makeup look. So again, with the help of my fingers, I am going to blend this concealer onto my skin. You can see the difference here and on this area. This area of nose has been started to highlight. And I'm done with applying the concealer. I know I'm looking horrible this time at this point of time, but yeah, don't worry, we will take care of it because this is the way the makeup is being done. So now with the help of the foundation brush, I'm going to gently merge and mix all of the products so that I don't look horrible anymore. I am just blending so much of it so that my skin looks completely flawless and even at all areas. I think we are done with the blending. Yeah, it is looking pretty good now. And now the most important step, I'll be bronzing. This time the bronzer which I'm going to use is L'Oreal Paris Back to Bronze, and it's in the sun-kissed shade, and I'm going to apply this bronzer in the powder format, not in that liquid one I'm applying. So with the help of this contouring brush, I'm applying this bronzer. It's a really good one. Recently only I purchased this bronzer, and I just love this one. Now my face is looking in a shape, my bones, my face bones, they are highlighted more. Done with applying this bronzer all over my face. Now let's apply some of the blushers, and the blusher which I am going to use is this flashlight blusher stick. It's in the bubble buzz color and it's of the brand Dewy, and I ordered it from Amazon, and it goes pretty well on your face. So I'm applying, I'm just dab in a dab motion. I'm applying it on my face, and I have applied this blushers in a dab motion, and it's a very light pink shade. Like, it doesn't look that you have applied blushers on your cheeks. It looks very natural. Now I am going to do a bit of eye makeup, and the eyeshadow palette which I am using is of Urban Choice by In Color. If you want, you can buy this eyeshadow palette. It has a variety of all the colors inside it. So yeah, and I'll be mixing this mauve shade with this light pink shade, and I'll be applying its mixture on my eyelids. So let's start with it. So I'll be taking these two colors, mixing them, dabbing off the extra powder. I am applying it on my eyes. See that I've applied this eyeshadow on my eyes, and you know, I've applied it I've applied it very lightly on my eyes, not so that dark colors, not that dramatic colors, because I want to give this makeup look a very natural look. So yeah, we are done. Now it's time to highlight. I'll be highlighting these cheek areas, my eyes, you know. So the highlighting palette which I'm using is of Makeup Revolution London. It's a Pro HD amplified palette, and it has, you know, all the highlighting shades. You can see that, and it's a very good one. Right now I have only one of these highlighting palette, and it goes pretty well with all my makeup stuff. As it is a dewy makeup look, so I'll be applying more amount of highlighter than relatively to my previous makeup like tutorials. So I'll be applying it. I'll be applying it here on my nose. To give a more highlighting effect, I'll be using the liquid highlighter also. So the highlighter which I'm using is of Inside brand, and it's an instant glow liquid illuminator highlighter, and it's in the light pink shade. So I'll be applying it. Let me fix this one, which has applied in very large quantity. So with the help of this, I'll be dabbing off. Now, good part about makeup is that you can correct whatever goes wrong when you do makeup. So yeah, let me fix this, and I think it has been almost fixed. It has been fixed now. Now I'll be applying lipstick on my lips, and the lipstick I'm using is of Sunkissed shade. It's of the company My Glam. So let's apply it. And with the lip gloss, I am we are almost done with the dewy makeup look, and I am applying kajal on the waterline of my eyes. The kajal which I am using is of Lakme. It's Lakme Iconic Kajal, and this step is optional. If you want to, you can, otherwise you can skip this step. Done applying with my kajal. Now I am going to apply mascara on my eyelashes, and the mascara which I am using is of Faces Canada. It's Dramatic Volumizing Mascara. So I am applying it to give volume. is the final makeup look. You can just have a look on it. It looking so glowy, so radiant and so natural. I hope you like my video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel right now and hit the bell button for more such notifications. Till then, bye bye, take care.